I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And on this video of Here We Go Again Camping, we are going to bring to you our new radio. That's the old radio.
Old radio with lots of hatred.
I didn't like that radio at all.
No, not at all. But thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it or if you find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get our upcoming videos. But stay tuned.
Okay, so here we are. As you can see, we are actually at home because this is something that you don't want to have to deal with whenever you're camping. No one wants to have to worry about pulling out a radio or anything while they're camping. So we actually did it here.
Yes, we did. Called Jayco. They were totally understanding. Said they had a lot of complaints in regards to the Soundstream radio that came on our model.
Similar things and problems that we had come across.
Yeah, they no issue, didn't have to explain anything, just said radio, and they're like, oh yeah, we're good. Do you have the Soundstream? So basically what we had to do was send customer service a picture of a radio installed and a copy of our receipt, and they in turn sent us a check for
$500.
$500. So
which I'm not sure. I don't know if that's like a regular thing they do for everybody if they're having the same problem, but it's always a.
Well, I think if you spent $400 on a radio, they're only going to send you $400. So
yeah,
that's why we had to send it. Yeah, so it was up to $500. So we actually got a really good deal. We bought an open box for under $700, and for a Kenwood DNX 577S.
Yes, and this is from Best Buy.
This is from Best Buy. I'll leave a link to the description or to the actual radio that we have in this, and also the remote that comes with it because we bought a remote separate. Yes. So it does everything that our past radio did as far as having a remote, backup camera, but it does everything so much better.
It does, and clearer, and you can hear the radio when you're traveling down the road, unlike that one.
Yes.
So that's nice, and you can take phone calls and not worry about losing them, not hearing them, because we have this nice new microphone that came with it, which is pretty awesome, because we had a conversation with his brother on the way home from a trip, and he could hear us fine, we could hear him fine. The phones will actually connect Bluetooth now, which it would never do that on the old one, so we picked a good one.
Our traveling has, I think, has gotten better just simply because we can listen to the music that we want to, and the radio is functioning as it should.
We're just not listening to the motor.
No, I mean, and I had to say too, I think the road noise has reduced some because of the radio. And didn't tell Lori this, but I was contemplating of whether we would have to replace some speakers or not. I didn't know what we would want to do, but it works really well with our speakers. I think our speakers are working so much better than what they were with the Soundstream. But what basically happened, and I'll leave some pictures here. Best Buy, they had free installation with the purchase of a radio. We didn't go with Best Buy. We were in the middle of traveling and trying to schedule trips, but Best Buy, our local Best Buy had never installed a radio in a motorhome, so they wanted us to bring the motorhome to them so they could look at it to see if they could actually install it. And after they said yes they could, then they wanted us to bring it back for an appointment.
And during that time, by the time you had this, you only had 15 days to return it, and they couldn't get us in within those 15 days because we were taking a vacation.
Yes.
So there was no way around it.
And since it was an open box, I wanted to get it installed as quickly as we could, get the information sent to Jayco so we could get the money back. But the fact that we only have $200 into this radio,
it's nice.
I'm so pleased.
Yeah. So we just wanted to give everybody an update about the new radio because I know a lot of emails and messages have been coming through asking what we have done about it and what the fix is. So we just wanted to share that with you and update the video.
Yeah, we'll leave the link if you can go watch. This was one of our major dislikes of the motorhome. But now that that's fixed,
There's that one.
We're moving on to other issues,
Yes.
right? But I had been contemplating, what do I do with this?
I don't know. I'm afraid to ask. What do you do with this?
I thought about putting it on eBay, but then I was sitting there thinking that I wouldn't want to pass the problems on to someone else.
But it might be a really nice one for somebody else.
Yeah, but I'm throwing it in the trash. Leave us a comment. What do you think we should do?
What should we do?
Yeah, what should we do with this radio? What do you think, Riley?
I think we should throw it on the ground and hit it with a baseball bat.
Oh, she wants to rage with it.
I kind of thought about that. Maybe that would be like a video that we could do in the future of us just taking turns taking a bat. Because this was a very big frustration for me.
Yeah.
And you think it's only a radio? I mean, it's only a radio, but when you're in the camper traveling for 8 hours,
But if there's a chance to make money off of it, you know me, man.
I know. I don't want to pass my headache on to someone else. So,
Hi, I'm Lori,
I'm Rick.
and we are.
You were like, I think you were questioning it. You didn't say it with conviction.
Okay.
Up to $500.
I had it. Oh, crap. Sorry! I have one job.
Up to $500. Okay. Hi campers, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time,
Safe travels and God bless.